Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Let's tackle a question that causes a lot of anxiety. Can you go to jail for not paying a judgment? The short answer, for most typical civil debts like credit card bills, personal loans, or medical debt, is no. The United States abolished debtors' prisons a long time ago. You cannot be incarcerated simply because you are unable to pay a debt to a person or a company. When a creditor wins a lawsuit against you, they get a court judgment, which is a powerful tool for collection, but it's not an arrest warrant. However, and this is a huge however, you can absolutely go to jail for actions related to the judgment. It's a critical distinction. The number one reason this happens is for contempt of court. This isn't about the debt itself, it's about willfully disobeying a judge's direct order. For example, after a creditor gets a judgment, they can get a court order compelling you to appear for a debtor's examination. This is a hearing where you have to answer questions under oath about your finances, assets, and income. If you are properly served with this order and you simply ignore it and don't show up, the judge can issue a warrant for your arrest for contempt of court. You're not going to jail for the debt, you're going to jail for disrespecting the court's authority. Another major exception is for specific types of debt. Child support and alimony are in a completely different category. These are court-ordered family obligations, and failing to pay them can be seen as willful contempt, which can and often does lead to jail time. Similarly, if your judgment is for criminal restitution or court-ordered fines from a criminal case, failure to pay can violate the terms of your sentence or probation, which could land you back in jail. So what actually happens if you don't pay a standard civil judgment? The creditor will use the judgment to legally force you to pay. They can garnish your wages, meaning they take a portion of your paycheck directly from your employer. They can levy your bank accounts, freezing them and taking the money out to satisfy the debt. They can also place a lien on your property, like your house or car, which means if you try to sell it, they get paid first from the proceeds. Your credit score will also be severely damaged for years. So, while you likely won't be arrested for being unable to pay a judgment from a car loan, you must take all court orders associated with it seriously. Ignoring the court is the fastest way to turn a financial problem into a legal one that could involve jail time. We hope this clears up a stressful topic. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information valuable and want more straightforward legal explanations, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for future videos.